Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar Solapur University Solapur was established on 1st August 2004. This Indian university is situated in the state of Maharashtra. The formation of the university at Solapur was a long cherished desire of the people of this region. The university was established because of the efforts of Solapur's people. The people of the district have an emotional attachment to the university since its inception. It is a matter of great pride that the university has made big strides within a short span. It has 11 schools: School of Chemical Sciences, Physical Sciences, Computational Sciences, Social Sciences, Earth Sciences, Commerce and Management, Languages and Literature, Performing Arts and Fine Arts, Allied Health Sciences, Technology and Lab Sciences. There are 132 skill development courses conducted by the University's Skill Development Center to enhance the skill, technical abilities and potential employability of the students. Students can take admissions in these courses as per their choice and plans. The admitted students can add multidisciplinary values through online and offline skill courses. The university has developed a central instrumentation center to facilitate scientific observations and analysis of different samples by sophisticated instruments for the research students, industries, and other interested entities. Knowledge Resource Center of University has a collection of over 80,000 volumes that include resources in different forms like books, theses, dissertations, journals, e-journals, periodicals, special publications, etc. Well-equipped radio and TV studio is established in the university, which serves as the center for e-content development. University has well-furnished guest house and hostel facility for girl and boy students. The university is relentlessly putting its endeavors in enhancing the standards in teaching, research, extracurricular and sports activity. It has theoretical and applied components in the curriculum. There is a strong research pursuance and publications carried out by each school. The university is committed to the all-round development of the students. As a result, the number of students have been bringing laurels at the state and national youth festivals, sports, national service schemes, and research events and competitions. It has placed its bet on education of youth as it is the best possible investment in human resource for the development of a society. Our university proposes to have a collaboration with all stakeholders of Academic Union Oxford Summit leaders. We would like to collaborate in the fields of herbal cosmetic technology, allied health sciences such as yoga, acupressure, therapeutic nutrition, microbiology, biostatistics, medicinal chemistry, performing Indian arts, archaeology, green energy, earth sciences, media studies, etc. Our university wants to work with global perspective at international higher education platform with the collaborative initiatives.